Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and this is the emergency State of the Union address as to what is the status of the S&S Diesel 6.7 Powerstroke Disaster Kit. Now, if you've been paying attention to this and you're thinking about getting a CP4 Disaster Kit or CP4 Failure Kit, we definitely suggest the S&S kit. This is the first kit that was to market. This is the best kit out there. They did a revision to their kit sometime in 2021 where they added this filtration system with their disaster prevention kit. They have since run into some supply chain issues with this filter. So the need for this kit on your truck is to keep a failure from happening of your CP4 and wrecking your high side fuel system. So S&S isn't going to wait around for supply chain to open up for this filter. They have changed the design of the filtration system that they're going to be adding later on in the year this year. We do have some of these kits left. So what we have done here at Thoroughbred Diesel is we are now going to be marketing the 2011 to 2021 kit as one part number. We're going to be actually sending you the kit that's for the 2020 and the 2021 trucks. The only difference between the kit for the 2011 trucks to the 2020 trucks is going to be this little piece of hose for the low side fuel supply that comes in the 2020 kit. This hose, if you've got an 11 to 19 truck, you just take this hose and throw it over the hill. It's not needed. It's just an extra part. But for you 20 to 21 guys, it's already in the kit. It's ready to go. The kits are the same price. There's a difference in the part numbers, but we're only going to be selling you as the 2020 part number for the 2011 to 2021s. So nothing changes. No, the price doesn't change. Nothing changes for you guys in that regard. But however, you guys that have the 11 to 19 kits, you're going to see an extra piece that's in the kit. Just throw it away, keep it for a rainy day, whatever. Or if you upgrade to a different truck, you can keep this piece and then put it on your new truck. That's a good idea right there. The instructions come with instructions for installation for the 11 to 19 kits, and then the 20 to 21 kits. It's all in one nice packet here. S&S has already taken care of that for you, so everything in this kit is ready to go. We know of the next generation of fuel filter that's going to be added to this kit. The next generation of fuel filter that's going to be added to this kit is going to offer a spin-on filter that is going to be much less money than what this replacement filter as it stands right here is. So you're going to be saving money down the road over the years in changing out the new style filter to this filter. But we definitely suggest that you don't wait on the S&S kit. Go ahead and buy today. You're going to be buying at the same price point for the disaster kit. But you're going to be waiting on the revision for the fuel filters, which is going to be coming out later on in the year this year. So definitely suggest that you go ahead and get yourself a S&S disaster kit for your 6.7 power strokes to keep you from having a CP4 failure that costs you thousands of dollars more money than it should cost by taking out your injectors and so on. So again, this is marketed from us at Thoroughbred Diesel for the 11 to 2021 trucks. It's going to be one part number is all you need. We're going to make it really, really simple for you. So if you've got any questions on that, please give us a call, and thank you for watching. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag.